The primary goal of DevOps is to overcome the limitations of traditional enterprise development by bridging the gap between programmers, testers and QA, and IT operations. The DevOps engineer is someone who understands all facets of the software development lifecycle and works with these teams to streamline the delivery process and improve the quality of software. Do you want to speed up time to market, minimize software bugs, and shorten the lead time between fixes? Skillsoft Aspire Learning Journeys are designed to move people forward within their organizations. These intentionally designed courses start by providing traditional software developers who are interested in utilizing the full capabilities of the DevOps approach with the tools and skills they'll need to become enterprise developers. They will start by immersing themselves in the DevOps mindset and gain an understanding of DevOps vocabulary and the DevOps principles and implementation approach. From there, enterprise developers may move into the DevOps developer role that focuses on identifying and mastering key DevOps tools. Next up is the DevOps Lead, who designs best practices and implements automation and continuous testing. Eventually, if they aspire to, they can become a DevOps Engineer, who brings together all the insights and knowledge acquired throughout their journey to scale and integrate DevOps into their business strategy. Let's take a look at what your enterprise developer to DevOps engineer journey will entail. The enterprise developer track is the first step in the journey towards becoming a DevOps engineer. Traditional developers often work on one aspect of the software development lifecycle and may not have input into other teams within the enterprise. Because of this, there may not be a clear flow of information between programming, testing and QA, and IT operations. This can affect quality and productivity. Your journey will begin with the key concepts of getting started in DevOps, including examining the role of people, processes, and technologies in implementing DevOps, along with the tools that can be used to facilitate team-driven DevOps development. It also covers DevOps Agile development and using tools for DevOps collaboration. DevOps developers are typically focused on choosing and using a variety of DevOps tools to implement continuous delivery, provisioning, and automation. Track 2 of your journey covers working with Git, Docker, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, and SaltStack with DevOps. The third step in becoming a DevOps engineer is the DevOps Lead role, which deals with working on best practices for DevOps, cloud automation, and continuous testing. The training in this track progresses towards the final role of the DevOps engineer by using Docker to create and deploy containers for DevOps, building pipelines using Docker in Jenkins, and implementing CI/CD for DevOps. The fourth and last step to becoming a DevOps engineer will bring together key learnings from your journey. DevOps engineers at this stage can take their understanding of DevOps and deepen it by concentrating on scaling DevOps for the enterprise, incorporating continuous feedback, and establishing success metrics and security protocols for DevOps. So where will your journey take you? All of our Aspire journeys for technology and developer are created based on a proven approach to learning design, which takes advantage of multimodal learning tools. From videos to books, learners have access to a multitude of resources that will orient them to key work functions and daily challenges. Learners can also apply concepts and implement DevOps best practices with hands-on practice labs, done virtually using real equipment and applications, so that each learner can practice and develop their skills without compromising their own company systems. At the end of each track within a journey, users must demonstrate their newfound knowledge by passing a rigorous final exam. Once a journey is fully completed, learners can continue their growth and move on to another area of study. DevOps Engineer can move on to Business and Leadership for DevOps Engineer track, or the Project Lead to Senior Software Project Manager, or Software Project Lead to Advanced Scrum Master journeys at their own pace, enabling employees to continually learn, evolve, and develop their skills.